Welcome to this tutorial on how to use your amazing KOAPRO Massage Tools for releasing muscle tension and alleviating soreness in your arms. These tools help you feel your best through effective recovery, improving total body relaxation and wellness. You can use your KOAPRO Massage Tools over form-fitting clothing or on bare skin with KOAPRO Massage Oil for less friction and a smoother and more comfortable massage experience. These 3 KOAPRO Massage Tools each have unique features and uses. Start with light, gentle pressure and use basic movements like up and down, side to side, and diagonal strokes. Massage at the pace, pressure, and intensity that feels best for you. If any areas feel sensitive or uncomfortable, lighten the pressure and focus on the surrounding areas, easing into the target area at your own pace. You can also use the KOAPRO end thumbs to release trigger points and tension. Gently press the thumb into your tissue and apply sustained pressure to the target area to help release tension and myofascial adhesions. The KOAPRO Fascia Massage Tool has a unique, flat, smooth side that you can use to gently scrape against your skin's surface. This is another technique that helps optimize recovery and relax the myofascial tissues. The KOAPRO Original tool is best used as a full body massager, while the KOAPRO Large tool is great for larger surface areas. The KOAPRO Fascia tool pinpoints smaller areas and preps your myofascial tissues for deeper treatment. For best results, use your hands to massage the areas you just focused on to promote faster relief. Be sure to drink water before, during, and after your KOAPRO massage to stay well hydrated. Our patented human touch design mimics a massage therapist's fingers, palms, and elbows to soothe sore muscles and tension whenever and wherever you need relief. As with many myofascial release treatments, minor, temporary bruising, muscle soreness, and swelling may result and should resolve within a few days. Always ease in at your own pace with gentle pressure and give the target area ample time to recover between treatments. Thank you for including us in your wellness adventure. We hope regularly using your KOAPRO Massage Tools will unlock faster muscle recovery and relief.